Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S20 FE with a cracked display. It's still working, but we're gonna replace it. So first thing we're gonna do is try to see where the crack is. And it's on the side here. So this is why you should invest on a quality phone case, because wrong drop on the wrong side can crack your display, and just like that. This one is quite easy to repair, according to David here, because he's a Samsung Galaxy expert. So we'll go through the process. First step, we're gonna remove the back cover, and seeing that this bends quite easily and the adhesive has been removed so easily, this might be the second time that the smartphone has been opened. We're gonna detach the cover for the main board, detach the connector for the battery and the display. We're gonna unscrew some parts on the main board. I'm gonna unscrew the cover for the daughter board, pry it off, slowly, and we're gonna put that aside. So you have the main board, the battery, and the daughter board. The housing for this one is kind of a burgundy red, which is a nice color. I'm gonna remove the main board. And of course, the SIM card tray. If you don't remove the SIM card tray, you can't remove the main board. That's quite a common issue, common error if you're fixing smartphone, but you don't have to force anything. If you see, you can feel some resistance, maybe there's something in there that have to be removed first. Daughter board is removed. The antenna cable on the side here will also be removed. I think this is the fingerprint scanner. Some miscellaneous parts. And an exact replacement display. So we're going to remove some grommets on the sides, on the side of the battery here. We'll unscrew it and remove it. So everything that you can see here on the table will be transferred one by one to the replacement display. Then we're going to remove the battery so we can put the old screen to the side for good. We're going to have it disposed of properly. Main board, SIM card tray put in, miscellaneous parts pushed in, and we're just gonna reverse the entire process. It's like Legos for expert technicians or something. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy S20 FE and you wish to have it refurbished or have the display changed, the battery changed, you just message David here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Maybe he can order some parts for you. Maybe he has already some stocks of parts that you need. Who knows? That's why you need to message him or leave a comment on this video. If you're not around Sydney though, you can also send in your broken smartphone. Make sure you message him first. We don't want you to send your smartphone if we can't fix it, so that would be sad. I'm gonna install the antenna cables, and all that's left for us to do now is to cover everything up put back all the screws and give this smartphone back to its owner. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. We are a small shop here in Sydney. We release new videos for the purpose of course, educating the public on the importance of fixing your device rather than buying brand new. Your smartphone is actually capable of more things. It just needs a new battery or maybe a new screen for it to look brand new and usable. So if you're interested in fixing your stuff, we can help you fix your stuff. Just like this one, this S20 FE looks brand new again from the outside. In the inside, it's all the same components, including the back cover. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. If you find this video cheerful, informative, or whatever, like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.